In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a board from Monday.com to Excel. If you need to analyze your board data, create reports, or simply keep a backup outside the platform, exporting your board to Excel is a quick and practical option. The process is straightforward, and once you know where to find the export settings, you can do it in just a few moments. Start by opening Monday.com and navigating to the specific board you want to connect or export. Make sure you're on the correct board before continuing, especially if you manage multiple projects or workspaces. Taking a second to confirm this can save you from exporting the wrong data and having to repeat the process later. Once you're inside the board, look for the board menu. This menu gives you access to additional settings and actions related to that board. Click on it to open the available options. Depending on your screen size or layout, the menu may appear slightly different, but the option you need will still be there. From the menu, select More Actions. This section contains extra tools and board management options that aren't shown in the main view. If you're exploring Monday.com for the first time, this is a useful area to become familiar with because many important features are grouped here. Next, choose Export Board to Excel. As soon as you click this option, Monday.com will begin preparing your board data for export. This usually only takes a short time, although larger boards with more items and columns may take a little longer to process. After that, download the Excel file. Your browser may save it automatically to your default Downloads folder, or it may ask you where you'd like to save it. If you export files often, it can be helpful to rename the file right away so it's easier to identify later. Once the file has downloaded, open it in Microsoft Excel. This will allow you to review the board data in a spreadsheet format where you can sort, filter, format, and organize the information as needed. Excel can be especially useful if you want to create charts, compare data, or share structured information with others who don't use Monday.com. Finally, use the exported data for analysis, reporting, or backup. That's really the main advantage of this process. It gives you flexibility. Whether you're building a performance report, reviewing project details offline, or keeping a saved copy of your board, exporting to Excel makes your data easier to work with in different ways. And that's how to export a board from Monday.com to Excel.